Hello, do you want to create a UI like this in Flutter? Like this. Look at this. And you click on this. And this one. Do you want to create it? So let's jump into it and create it. Look, I have already created these screens. This one first. This is the UI of this one, in which it is showing both sign in and sign up button. Look at the first we created a main function and then created a stateless widget and again created one stateless widget in star and in container I have provided this uh, gradient background. Look, this is the background and I have already provided the colors in it. Then I have used this safe area. Safe area is used because it includes all the UI below the status bar. Here I have then used a padding widget, and here I have provided a padding of 20 horizontal. Look here, it has 20 padding. Then created one column widget for all this to show in a column, and then in children created one row. In a row, I have created this menu icon. Now I have used this expanded widget here to fulfill this area and use a flex of 1, and here again column to list this both in vertical. This is the icon I have used, and this one, this is the text I have used. I have provided a white color and a font weight of bold. Then I have created a size box. This gives a margin in it, and again one expanded view for these three buttons and text. Look, I have already provided one flex to this also, and here in column first the text of this welcome back, and it has the same font weight and color, and I provided a size box to this 20 height. Then created one padding again, mm, with the horizontal margin, and here in column I have provided these two buttons. This one of first sign in button, and when I click on this it goes to another fragment. It uses this to navigate to another fragment, and it is the styling of this button. This is the text I have provided, and now the margin between these two buttons, and again another button, this one, and it uses this to navigate. This is the styling for this. Look, I've used the white background, and it's the text. Here it finishes, and for this area I have used again this expanded widget and provided one flex. In column I have filled this area with this, and then I will gain this text with a white color and then a margin of 15. Then in row I have shown this three icons showing here, and at last I provided here a margin by using this size box. And one thing more for these icons, look at this here, social media icon. I have used this uh, widget for it to create it, and I am passing an icon to this and using an icon here. It has a radius of 20 with a white background. Now look here, I would navigate to this another screen, sign in screen, where I navigate it, get it here, this sign in screen. Using this, I navigate. Let's press this. This is the design of screen. And look, I have commented this because I don't want to run it from here. And first created one stateless widget, and in a main I have created escape for. Then again I created stateless widget. At first I provided this gradient using this, and again used a safe area for to use it below this status bar, and I have used the center to center all this content, and to use a scroll view for this. And here I provided a padding of 30, which looks nice here. And in column I have listed everything at start. Look at this, and these two are the text here, this one. Then provided a margin here by this, and again created one container for this, and again provided a padding here. Look at this, decoration is used for this background here, and a column to list these things. First this Gmail text, and the text field to enter data, and here I have provided a hint text and the color, etc. Then a margin between these two, then this text, and again one text field for password. And here I have used these two, this visibility icon to show and sorry I haven't performed the backend on this. Click, and here I provided margin between these for get text and password text input. Here again a margin between these two button and forget password, and I have used a container for this button and provided a decoration. And here I have provided text, and so, yeah, I have used this for when I click on this, it would print. Look, sign in expressed. When I click again this printed. So this is used to print something. And I will go again to the back, and when I click on this, and for this UI I have created this screen. Here again I have created one stateless widget, and container with the decoration for this gradient color, and to center this our content here, and here I have used one scroll view, and again padding, and here I have used one text for to create your account text, and here again I provided a margin here, again one container and a margin between to show a margin between border and contents. Here a decoration used for this white background, and in column here I have used this things, and for this entering text I have created one field here, this here, and it is individually done, and look everything I have provided, and this is used for full name and Gmail. Okay, and here I have provided an check icon for this, and again a margin, and I have created another widget for both of these passwords. And, here it is a stateful widget. It is because we are using here the visibility icon. Look, it is used to hide and show, and look at this widget here. It is used to hide and show the text. Then here there is signs and icons, and set the state here. Look at this now. We use for this confirm password and password field. Then use this sign up button here. Again margin, and one go for this both of text, sign in text and this text. So this was all about the UI. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe button.